everyone, this is Chef Ava and I'm here today at the Earthly Juice Kitchen, and we are going to show you how to make a lifestyle meal for detox. So a lot of times people that are watching their calories or detoxing or doing some sort of a transformation, it's like, what do I have for dinner? It's like one of the biggest questions. So what you can do is, it's a super nourishing and comforting dish, is to take some quinoa. So I took some tricolored quinoa and I cooked it. So this is 1 cup. So you want to manage your portion. So it was 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. First I boiled the water with some salt. Once the water was boiled, I added in the quinoa, closed the lid till a lot of the fluids absorbed, turned off the heat, and then let it do its thing. So you want your quinoa to be nice and fluffy and not overcooked. So then the next thing to do is take some coconut. I love the combination, if you haven't tried it before, is coconut oil with quinoa. It's super creamy, brings out the quinoa in such a beautiful way. Coconut oil is an essential fatty acid that really curbs the appetite. So when you're on a detox, this is a great way to get some fats in and not feel too hungry. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. And while the quinoa is still warm, so that it blends really beautifully, you want to go ahead and just mix it in. And I actually prefer to do a fork, even if we're dealing with quinoa or rice or any grains, so you want to keep it nice and fluffy. So I'm going to go and fold that in. And then next, this is the combination that's my favorite, is coconut oil, quinoa, and curry. So curry, it's just warm, it's comforting. At the end of the day, you want to have that type of a meal when you're at home. So I'm just going to go ahead and put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of curry into there. You can already smell the fragrance, and it's changing the color a little bit. And then next, when we talk about changing color and actually anti-inflammatories, adding in some anti-inflammatories, we're going to go ahead and put in some turmeric. So it's going to break, again, about 1/8 for this 1 cup of quinoa. I'm going to go ahead and put that in and fold that in so you can start to see the color composition changing. So this is a beautiful meal you can serve to yourself, to your children, even to your partner. It's just very nourishing. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the white bowl, and we're going to build from there. Okay, keep that nice and fluffy. And then next, we're going to, over here I have sauteing. One of my favorite cruciferous vegetables is broccoli, but I really enjoy broccolini. There's a little bit of a different taste, and the smell is not as potent with the broccolini. A lot of people like it, and I love to put, so I put about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and I've had that being sauteed here. It's really simple and easy to do. And then what I want to do is just finish by putting a little Celtic sea salt on there, and we'll put a little pepper to brighten it up a little bit. And I just kind of, because it's already the curry and the turmeric are already in the quinoa, but I just like to have that little fragrance, and with the coconut oil to give it a little toss right before serving. So I'm going to use my fork, turn off the oven, stove here, and give that a beautiful toss. And then what we're going to do is take our time, and you can see the beautiful, a little bit charred broccolini. It's got a little crunch. It's got some warmth with the coconut oil and the turmeric. I also cut these in half, like slice them down the center so that they're a little more easy to chew, and it also looks really pretty for the presentation. And this actually, for a vegan, is the perfect meal. A detox lifestyle perfect meal for someone that's like, what do I do? I have some vegan guests coming over. What do I feed them? I want to have a meatless Monday tonight. This is another beautiful option. And then just to finish that off, what I would do is just put a few little fresh sprouts just to make it look really pretty. Give it a little height as well. And there you have it, a beautiful lifestyle meal. It's warm and comforting.